Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get gold cards in Toon Blast. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get gold cards in Toon Blast. So first of all, you need to reach level 34 to unlock the collection feature, and it will be in the bottom left corner here. We have shop, and then we have on the right we have collection. Then earn cards packs by completing events, super hard levels, and Toon Pass rewards. Open the packs you collect. Regular packs can contain gold cards, but their drop rates vary. Prioritize gold packs whenever you can earn them. A gold pack contains 6 cards and guarantees at least 1 gold card. Keep opening the packs throughout the collection event to find a specific gold card you're missing. An important thing, gold cards cannot be requested for teammates or sent to friends, so you have to obtain them through the game's card reward system. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.